these are the prizes for next month's giveaway. Once again, a set of Cleveland drills, an Extreme Plasma cup, supplied by my channel sponsor, Rob in Extreme Plasma. And last but not least, this box, which was refurbished by my friend Bob. Inside of it is a little Mercer dial indicator. Look at that. It's even got a little spare pointer on the bottom. That is really nice. It's only 4 thou from there to there, so it's a very accurate one. That is very high resolution. I'm sure somebody will enjoy winning that. And once again, thanks very much, Bob. I know how much time you do put into these things. I know it's your hobby, but you do spend a lot of time. Beautiful, lad. Fair enough. There. Hold on, perform. Big fucking company you have. That's better. The bolts through head. Aye. Does it say what, like gone straight through the heat on this?
Yes.
The one that was fucking rotten.
That's the key. I've got the key, yes.
You can see the light come on when the power's on it. With that main switch down there, it's off. When you turn it read over clockwise, it's off. One click back, it's on.
I'd rather someone do Richard.
No, I'm going to do tap it.
The washer's in there, eh?
Washer's in. There's only I can't find an injection washer. I needed it.
That's right, you did.
I did. But
Right. And a couple of bolts for this filter head, Richard.
Yep.
It would 10 mil, 10 mil, I would think. Right, that's it. I'm trying to put the fuel filter head.
What, mate?
The fuel filter head. A couple of 10 mils for in there.
Alright.
10 mil, mate.
You what?
10.
10 mil, yeah.
Stop with the ratchet. Quarter drive ratchet for what?
No, I did it.
Maintained. These laid out.
Come on, so yeah.
deep enough, Richard.
Yeah.
Deep enough, mate.
That's the way forward.
I like an engine, like.
Aye. Alright, okay.
Look, are you enjoying yourself, Richard?
I hate water, mate. I hate it with passion.
Aye. Better?
Yes, thanks.
You like welding, lad?
What is it? Yeah, it's a mess, isn't it?
Yeah, it is not a mess, darling. I've got a nice little bit of machining to do here. It's another tool for pulling a liner out of a tractor engine. I've got a drone, I've got a bit of suitable bar. This is going to be the first time I've used this lathe. I've had it all apart. Anyone that watches it or subscribes to my Patreon channel, they'll see that the lathe gives problems with the power feed, and I've had all the carriage stripped down. So this is the first time I'm going to use it since I've repaired it, so to speak. The material has got one machine face, so we'll put that in towards the chuck, and then we'll have to tidy that up. As I say, my trusty old Harrison actually let us down. It was a little bit like getting bitten by our own dog, but we managed to repair it in the end. There's quite a little bit piss wobbling going on there. it needs to be 98. I think it's 100mm bar. Indeed it is. So we need a 1mm cut off there, which will bring it down to 98. So that's 98. And the fanny's hair, we'll take a spring cut. Lost the finish, but it should give her the right size. Dead on 98. The next size is 91.45 for a depth of 5mm. Lots of chips coming off there. Horrible things. That's 4mm. Should be 6. What you do, don't go near them with your fingers. $91.53. He wants 91.45. At least my power feed's working nicely now. $91.42 as near as I can read. That'll 72. That's just to fit inside the liner. I need to put a recess in here with a parting tool so it's got a nice square edge. We don't want a rounded edge because that could possibly damage the liner. That parting tool is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Because it ain't snapped off the bastard thing. It's strange how some of these tips last for ages and other ones just can't wait to die. Quite a nice little tool here that cam lifts in there and that they drop in. Repeatable, everyone goes in the same place. Should be different. so there's no undercut there, or at least it is undercut, which is what I want. I'm just going to break those two edges. It needs a 20 mil hole through it. Properly. Just set the dial to 0 and I'll know. It looks like that hole's running off. It's not, it's actually a counterbore hole. There was a bigger hole in there to start with. Right, so we'll break that edge and I'll sort that hole out that looks like it's pissed. Feathery bit on there. Right. There's another hole going through. Right. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. There's one thing I would like to say just before I go. Today is actually the 12th anniversary of my brother's death. He was sadly killed in a motorcycle accident. So I've only got a couple of things to say. Please look twice. Look for bikes, that's all. If me saying that, and it's not easy to say, makes any difference to anybody, it's all worth it anyway. Thanks for watching.